Hey there, English learners. How are you today? Welcome back to Think in English. I'm Sarah, and I'm thrilled to be here with you. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to be part of this nice community of English lovers. Do you want to talk about your free time and hobbies in English? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do in this lesson today. As you know, whenever you have some free time, you like to spend that time doing different things, right? You might read books, play sports, listen to music, or watch movies. That's why in this lesson I'll help you to learn how to talk about your free time activities in English. We'll use simple and easy to understand vocabulary and sentence structures so that you can confidently talk about your hobbies and leisure time in English. Ready? Let's dive right in. To begin with, let me ask you a question. What do you usually do in your free time? I'd love to hear about your hobbies and what you like to do for fun. Feel free to write your answers in the comments section below this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do it now because in every video lesson you'll learn new vocabulary, improve your pronunciation skills, and learn how to speak fluently and naturally. And don't forget to hit the like button because that will help us to reach more people and help them to learn English step by step. Now, before we start our conversation about your free time, let's learn a few words and phrases that will help you to describe your hobbies and what you do in your free time. The first one is in my spare time. This is a common way to say that you're talking about the time when you don't have any work or studies. For example, in my spare time, I like to play the guitar. The next phrase is for fun. When you want to say that you do something just for enjoyment and pleasure, you can use the phrase for fun. For example, I go swimming for fun. The third phrase is in my leisure time. When we have leisure time, it means that we have free time and we can use that time to do whatever we want. For example, in my leisure time, I like to read books. And the last one is in my free time. This one is pretty much the same as the others. It simply means the time when you are not busy with work or studies. I like to play basketball in my free time. Now that we've learned some useful phrases, let's talk about what we can do in our spare time, for fun, in our leisure time, or in our free time. One of the most popular activities people enjoy doing in their free time is reading. So if you like reading books, you can say, I like reading books. If you read books for fun, you can say, I read books for fun. Or you can say, reading books is one of my favorite hobbies. If you're a person who reads books a lot, you can use the expression, I'm a big reader. For example, I'm a big reader. I enjoy reading fiction and non-fiction books. Another activity that many people like to do is listening to music. If you're one of them, you can say, I like listening to music. I listen to music for fun, or I'm a music lover. For example, I'm a music lover. I love listening to all kinds of music. If you prefer watching movies, then you can say, I like watching movies, I watch movies for fun, or I'm a movie buff. For example, I'm a movie buff. I love watching movies from different countries. If you like playing sports, you can say, I like playing soccer, I play soccer for fun, or soccer is my favorite sport. Here you can replace the word soccer with any other sport you like, such as basketball, tennis, swimming, or baseball. For example, I play basketball in the local team. If you like dancing, you can say, I like dancing, I dance for fun, or dancing is my passion. If you like gardening, you can say, I like gardening, I garden for fun, or my gardening is a great hobby. You can also say that you keep a garden as a hobby. If you like cooking, you can say, I like cooking, I cook for fun, or cooking is my favorite hobby. If you like traveling, you can say, I like traveling, I travel for fun, or I'm a travel enthusiast. If you like hiking, you can say, I like hiking. I hike for fun, or hiking is a great way to explore nature. If you like fishing, you can say, I like fishing, I fish for fun, or fishing is my favorite pastime. If you like collecting things, you can say, I like collecting stamps, I collect stamps for fun, or I'm an avid collector of stamps. Now that you know some of the best ways to talk about your hobbies and free time activities, let's practice speaking using these phrases and sentences. Let's have a conversation about your free time and hobbies. Okay, the first question is, what do you do for fun? Do you like playing sports or maybe reading books? What do you like to do in your free time? Remember, you can say that you do something or that you like something. Both are correct. So you can say, I like playing basketball, or I play basketball. What do you do for fun? The next question is, what is your favorite hobby? Your favorite hobby is the activity that you enjoy the most. You can say, my favorite hobby is playing the piano. My favorite hobby is swimming. My favorite hobby is writing stories. The next question is, do you have any hobbies? If you have a hobby, you have some kind of activity that you do regularly for fun or enjoyment. You can say, yes, I do. I like playing tennis. Or no, not really. I don't have any hobbies. The next question is, how do you spend your free time? This question is asking how you spend your free time. Do you watch TV, go shopping, or meet friends? For example, in my free time, I like to go to the movies with my friends. And the last question is, what do you like to do in your leisure time? This question is similar to the previous one. It's asking what you do when you have free time. In my leisure time, I like to read books and listen to music. So these were some basic questions and answers about your hobbies and free time. Now it's your turn to practice using these questions and answers. Remember, you can use the comments section below this video to write your answers. And don't forget to practice your pronunciation. You can repeat each sentence after me to practice. And you can record yourself while speaking to see how you can improve your speaking skills. As you can see, learning to talk about your hobbies and free time activities in English is quite easy. All you need to do is practice regularly and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process and they help you to improve your English skills. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and I hope you learned something new. Please remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.